Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you all this dessert recipe which I always love to prepare. It's the chocolate rich yogurt. So let's get started with this recipe. So I'm using homemade yogurt which is full of fat, cream and nice and thick. So I'm using the thick creamy layer. So it's important to use nice good thick yogurt for this recipe. So I've used full fat milk and prepared my homemade yogurt. You can use any yogurt which is nice and thick, full of fat. Add 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder and stir it. Mix it well. Add stevia as per your taste. I'm using this small little hand mixer. It's a milk frother. You can also use a blender or a hand beater. So if required, add little more quantity of cocoa powder. That would depend on your taste. Again, give it a thorough mix so that it becomes one nice good mix. And I'm going to pour it in my bowl. And garnish it with some grated dark chocolate. It's important to use dark chocolate unsweetened. And some finely chopped almonds. So that makes my delicious dish, which is so simple and easy to prepare. You can chill it for some time in the fridge and serve it. So do try this out. Definitely you will enjoy and like my recipe. The measurements and the ingredients, also the macros of this dish have been mentioned down below in the description box, so you can refer to it.